I'm Tanu Jangir, reading in 8th standard from S.G.R. Public School. So today's my topic is Makar Sankranti. So let us begin with the morning. The morning is very exciting for everyone. With a new rising sun. According to the Hindu Shastras, on this day, the sun rises aside from the actual position and women do some ritual works related to this festival and wear new clothes and make sweets. And some persons also distribute some essential things to needy peoples. From the children's side, they enjoy their day by flying kites. So it's good, but it's said to old persons that if something have advantages, so it also have disadvantages too. So when children fly kites, so it's good for their leisure time and it's also a new thing. But when they fly kites with a plastic tree, so it's not good for them because it is made up of chemicals and it harms to birds flying in the sky and themselves too. So please, I request to you, don't use those types of plastic trees and stay happy, stay healthy and enjoy your day. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you. This is me Palak from 8th standard. Today I am here to tell you something about generation gap. The generation gap between parents and children is widening. There are several reasons behind this disturbing phenomena. The lifestyle and values of children are different from those of their parents, leads generation gap. The youth wants to lead a carefree life. They assume that they know better and don't want to listen the outdated advice of their parents. The lack of trust and understanding between parents and children is a foundation of our families. On the bright side, there are several ways to tackle these issues. The children should realize that the parents have more years and experience behind them.
Good morning. My name is I read in first class. My topic is father. I love my father very much. Papa for everything. For me, everyone should love and respect their parents. Papa is the only hero who. Thank you very much.
A very happy